Hello viewers, let's continue our gate series, and now we have to solve one more question which has already come in gate. So the question is, two straight lines are perpendicular to each other in xy plane. Okay, so there is given a two straight line which is perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let's make the figure. uh, Two straight line, let this is L. Okay, and here will be M. Okay, so two straight line in xy plane. This is the in xy plane. Okay, this is in xy plane. Okay, and there is given that they are perpendicular. So this is perpendicular, and if alpha and beta are acute angle, the straight line makes with x axis. Okay, so there is given x axis, and they are making angle, acute angle, which is alpha and beta. Okay, this is the x axis. You have to find the alpha plus beta. I guess this is the one of the simplest question asked in a gate, so you can do it by your own or directly solve it. So let's do this. First, you sum of all angle in triangle. Sum of angle in triangle is 180. We already know. Okay, so angle alpha plus angle beta plus 90 degree, which will also 180 degree, and again alpha plus angle beta plus, sorry, this is not plus, when 90 move here it will become 180 minus 90, 180 minus 90, and angle alpha plus angle beta, which will be come out 90 degree. Okay, so you just have to take, so the answer is 90 degree. Okay, so option B is correct here. Option A. What happened here? Option B is correct. Okay, which is 90 degree. So I hope you understand this question. You can directly solve it or you can follow the procedure also. So thanks for watching this series.